Morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike. It is unbelievable what is going on this morning already. It is unbelievable what is going on this morning. 100% winners, 1000% winners all over the place. It is unbelievable. Without any further ado, I'm just heading right over to the screen. Hey, thanks, Gus. Appreciate that. Look, unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is just incredible today. Okay, guys, I just picked this one at 25 to go up higher, SQQ, and short the NASDAQ. I had to stay away because it was the FOMC meeting right there. It's unbelievable. It really is incredible, guys. What I'm going to show you here this morning. So already this morning, I've already made, let's take a look. 3,600, 2,200, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, and then 450 and up 50. Yes, sir. That's crushing it on the futures right there. Unbelievable. This fucking shit's off the screen on the bots, way like off the screen. RTY dumped off the screen. ES all on this FOMC stuff at 8:30. It's the most unbelievable what I'm going to show you this morning. You guys ready? First of all, if the screen resolution's low, I'm sorry. Let me see if this is working. That's working. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, I guess. So we're at 1840 on NASDAQ. I knew it was going to do that. I should have traded this eval because you could trade evals during news. So should have taken a risk on this one. I should have done that. But now we could start to trade. I hit 1,000% winner and 100% winner. And after I show you these guys, just give me, thumbs up, like, because you're going to like the video. Go ahead. I think I'm going to place a trade here on this dip. It's 2. Got to get it off 2 and put it on 1. Just keeping it above 35. See if it goes into 40. Right there. Cash and grab, 35, 40 bucks. Only 4 little micros. Always going to hold 1. Always going to hold 1. See, I'm always going to hold 1 lot. All right, let me show you a couple things. You ready, Mojo Swing Traders? Watch this. So these are the list of stocks that are on the gainers list for the NASDAQ today. Every one of them has been my Mojo Swing pick. Let's start with SOPA right here. I just bought this one and told everyone in the room at 34 cents. This was a couple minutes ago. It just went to 66 and hit 100% winner. I just hit a 100% winner in 10 minutes in the Mojo room. Watch. So if you're in the Mojo room, Gus, I told you to pick SOPA at 8:30 at 34 cents. Went through 50, mini Hines, sold 62 right there. It's 100% winner right there. And I picked this one, OPGN, on 10/1. This was the newsletter on 10/1 on Sunday night. I sent this to you for a base breakout at 40 cents, OPGN. They're going from a law, I'll read it to you, 40 cent, former high flyer. It's been a former huge pick at $9 last year. Okay, this is the Swing Trade newsletter. If you guys want this Swing Trade newsletter, today's show, $100 off subscription of $149. So you tell me if it's worth $49 per month to get these picks. The first one was SOPA this morning. This one got sent out on 10/1 on Sunday night. And let's see how many of you jump aboard on this offer. Save $100. The coupon code is $100 off. Okay. I should edit that and put it in. Am I able to edit that? Yeah. Coupon code is $100 off. So earnings, it's going to break out into the 50-cent range from 40. And it's going to go adding more at 49. Increased earnings from a loss of $10. They lost $10 per share. Then they're losing 3. So that's a 300% increase. Then they're going to lose 2, increasing it from 500% from 10. Volume increased 3,921% when I picked it to 96 million shares versus 2.3 million shares. Base breakout using that for support. Sky is the limit. Float is small, 8.9 million. Fund zone 7%. Risk in 20 to make 100%. I made 1,000%. The stock went this morning to $4 per share. $4 per share. Let's take a look. So this is it, OPGN. High 434 this morning. Look, 5-minute chart. It spiked from here to there, $4, and then went again higher to 434. This bar traded 1 million shares. This bar traded 872,000 shares. So any of my subscribers that woke up this morning like me and saw that thing at $4 up 1,000%, now it's up 600%, took some nice profits. I have a new member in the room. His name is Gus. Talked him into joining the Swing Trade newsletter on, I think it was the other day. Let's meet Gus. See what he's got to say. Let's see what Gus has got to say. Gus, you there? Let's see. There he is. Doing an amazing job. Gus. Just joined, right, Gus? Just joined, right? On all cylinders. Kicking ass. All cylinders. That's what I do. So he just joined. Beautiful. Oh, there's Kumaresh up there. All right, let's go back to the action. Let's go to the next winner because that's OPGN. So you already missed that one. And here's the newsletter for that pick. So you want to see what the newsletter was. There's one more, all the picks in there. So if you got in this newsletter right here, the first one you got is RVLP at 9 cents. RVLP right now is 17 cents. RVLP 7, oh, it's down now. It was just at 17 cents. See, you got to take the profits. I just put it out in the room. That's crazy. So that one was up at 17 cents this morning and already took profits up over 50% when it was over 15. That's RVLP, looking to make the move over 10 cents. That's the play for the base breakout using that as support, float 111 million, funds 4%. Last 2 quarters back here, really nice, going from a loss of $1 to a loss of $0.10. That's RVLP. The next one was OPGN at 40 cents. Hit $4 this morning. Just like this one, if you didn't take some profits, it came down. They come down. They're very volatile. It's at $2. So it fell 100% from where it was this morning, even though it's up 587% right now. Yes, sir. That's how it works. That's how it works. So that's OPGN. The next one, let's take a look in the newsletter, was IMPP. I call it IM, that's the symbol, IMPP. IMPP. Sounds like a cartoon character, like Sweepy. Anyway, this is called Imperial Petroleum. It's a Greece-based company engaged in seaborne transportation services, just like PSHG, my other swing pick that was in play yesterday in the shipper that I put out. I'll show you next. Sir. This one, $4 and this is $1.58 range. Not $4.41. I didn't write this well. This was BTE, so I have the wrong symbol in there. But IMPP over a base breakout of 158. 4 amazing quarters of, look at those earnings, 232%, 999%, 121 on 16 million in the float, going with a loss. Dude, they're losing $11 to a gain of $2.50. That's a 50,000% increase in growth in the oil transportation industry on IMPP at $1.58. So when this thing's $10, don't say, oh, Mojo didn't tell me at $1.58. IMPP is $1.80 right now. IMPP is $1.85. You got to get the IMPP before it goes over $2. See the trend, my friend? The next one is EZFL, then FEMI, and then that BTE. All right, enough of those picks. Let's go to the next one on my list, Tattoo. I call it Tattoo, like that little guy on Fantasy Island that goes, the plane, boss, the plane. You know that guy? That's Tattoo right here, Systems, T2 Systems. I've traded this stock for 5 years. On and off in the Mojo Swingtrade newsletter. It's been a gainer lately. Tattoo. The plane, boss, the plane. Look, here's the chart, boss. See the chart, boss? Been up here at 70 cent. Came down to 18, expect the 18 right there, bounce right back to 32. See the stopping stations, guys? Notice on all the stocks, the stopping stations. Okay, look at this stopping station, 27 to 32. Yes, sir. I'll go through all of them like that. So Tattoo, put it on my list to show you. Gone. Let me just get it off that list. Now, next one on the list is XSTC. Now, it's called, it's a China stock. There's no way I would buy this in the swing, so I don't have that one. The next one on the list was SOPA, and I showed you this morning at 30 cents. It went to 66. I sold some right there at 63.88. See it? 63.88. I bought it. Look right here. SOPA. Right there at 34 cents. At 8.23, I bought them all just to market for the show. SOPA, yes, indeed. That turned out to be an amazing pick. This is the Dosh Trader platform. My one and only, my true friend. Never lets me down. Love him. So SOPA, you're off the list. Get rid of you. Ching. Next one is RVLP, and it was up at 17. I already showed you that one, off the list. The next one was PSHG that I bought yesterday at 26 cents. This morning it was over 30. Oh, 239 from 226. That's that other shipper in the oil and gas, PSHG. Here's the OPGN right here at 225. Already showed you that one at 40 cents. The next one on the list was Note. This is called Fiscal Note. It's an artificial intelligence stock that uses AI in the financial industry. Okay? AI. It's called Fiscal Note, N-O-T-E. Keep an eye on that sucker at $2. The next one on the list was Meds. Meds right here, semi-meds, Trade X Health, has a history of going big. Look, 15, 19. See, it's got a history of going big when it trades some volume. This day it traded right here on this up. It went here, 3,600,000 died down on low volume, but this one's 14 million. This up day was 8 million. This up day was 13 million. So if it trades 247,000 shares by 9 o'clock, it's got the capability to do that. But at 2,477 shares, it doesn't have the capability to do that. Okay, that one's off the list. And let's take a look, because I own, that's a $7 stock. Let's see the cheapest I owned Meds. I picked it on January 2nd right here in this newsletter. Right here. So yeah, this is the newsletter for that one. This is hot stuff, boys. Whew. So this is the Swing Trade newsletter for January 2023. See all these open trades? I finished the month, 100% winners in January. They all freaking went rocking crazy. Happy New Year, Mojos. 9 picks. Meds, 40 cents. Look. Going from a loss of 65 to a loss of 13, 9.3 million in the float, 10% owned by funds, 3 good quarters, 40 cents on a 1.5 million on a 2,690 increase in volume coming out, base breakout right there, over 347. Where is it now? $7. I picked it in January of this year at 40 cents. Now it's $7. So whether it's split or it just went there, you're rocking, boys, with the Mojo Swing. LL Flooring. I picked it this morning at 387. It went to 425. It's another hot one. Wasn't in the swing. Just picked it in the room just to get everybody. Logic Mark, I've had this one. This one I recognize. Let's take a look. I think it was a while ago. But I picked Logic Mark. Yep. On 9/4 of 2023. I knew I did, dude, in this newsletter. Logic Mark. So I knew it in 9/4. So that wasn't too long ago. That's why it popped up in my favor. See the picks you guys are all missing out on? You see them, right? You see them, right? There's the newsletter. It's $49 a month. You get $100 off. Grab your phone, put it on that QR code, and dude, I don't know where else you'd be getting better picks from than me on Wall Street. Motley Fool alpha stocks, beta stocks, gamma stocks, dingo stocks, F stocks, G money stocks. Any letter of the alphabet that has a goddamn newsletter is no way compared to me. I'll tell you that 100%, 1,000,000%. I put my picks where my mouth is. Dude, did you hear me? Does the 4-day work week apply to the stock market? Could you imagine the 4-day work week? Where's Logic Mark? It's not in this newsletter. This was too recent. Logic Mark. Let's find it. LGMK. Here, 9/4. This was on 9/4 of 2022 at 250. Traded 2.4 million shares in this base, looking for a breakout. Only has 1.3 million in the float on 38% owned by mutual funds. They develop personal energy response systems and health communication devices and an Internet of Things platform. Logic Mark, I think they're like those intercoms and those kind of things. Logic Mark and phones and things like that. Telecommunications. All right, where's this baby? I think I'm ready for a trade. Yes, sir. I'll take it at 30 into 27. Oh, it already went to 27 stopping station. You guys didn't tell me. I could trade it here, though, into 27 again. And it's at 94, so 15,400 is right up here. That's 27. Taking 2 off the table. 15,400 equals 27 range. Amazing, right? With that swing newsletter, amazing, dude. So let's put another one up here at 97. I'll get close to it. Logic Mark off the machine now. Went through that one. The next one is Jaguar Health. See it? I've had this one as a swing too. Keep an eye on this one. It's up 117% on 42 million shares. Jaguar Animal Health. It's an animal health Jaguar shit thing. I've had this one for 5 years. I've traded in and out of this one. JAGX. Mojo Swingtrade newsletter on 6/7 of 2021, 2 years ago. Look. Hey, I said oat milk, not goat milk. Remember when that was like the craze? You remember? Goat milk. Remember that? Goat milk. Top 11 picks, Jaguar right there at $1.74. See it? Had 137 million shares in the float, 4 good quarters, 98 relative strength to go above that. Big winner, going from a loss of 7 to a loss of $1 to a loss of 18. Jaguar. Here's Ring Energy. Here's Siffy. Look at all these amazing picks. 98 relative strength, 600% last quarter. Amazing. So SQQ is 31 by 32. I'm up $35 on that trade. I'll take one more off the table. Very nice with the futures trading. If Birdlaw was in the room with me, he would have been in on these trades, following me when I go short. But he's not, so I guess he's just full of shit. So let's get out of Jaguar. Showed you that one. The next one on my list is B Square, which is also on the gainers list. B Square Corporation, I've had that one as my swing, up 47% today. And Bioc, I've had that as my swing, recently up 31% today to go through $1. So there's they all are, guys. I made a nice list for you, showed you all of them. That's what I do, when I do it, how I do it. Got them all on this list right here on the left. So I could sort them by gainers. HSDT. See Helios Medical. This one's going to break out above 10 and go higher. So what I do is I have this beautiful list. PSHG's on there, ATNF. And when they trigger 3%, like this one's up 3% almost, see it? This one is up 3%. So they're triggering a buy alert. But as I mentioned to Gus yesterday, they got to trade 10 times the average volume. So if this was trading 100,000 shares, guess what? It's in play. That one's going to rock and roll. PSHG, 100,000, up 2.3. It's close to being in play. See? Compared to OKYO, up on 8,000, up almost, they're all up 2.3%. It's crazy. What do they mark them all at 2.3? Crazy. And it's only up on 8,000 shares, so not in play. See, you got to wait for them to be in play like that. SQQ 31.32. What do I got left? I got one lot left, up $16. Look, B square just went by the high-low list. BSQR, the one I just said. Look, 184 by 5 on 605. See it up here? B square. B long or B square. It looks like it got bought out because it's a straight line across. When they're straight lines across, that means they got bought out. SQQ moving 833. I'm up $23 now on that mini micro lot. Trading for you guys for beginners. All my guys in my room just wanted to make money this morning, so they're following me, making money. What's up, Lons? Following me. Hope you clicking the freaking Dom like I am. It's going down. Get the fuck out. There you go. Do it again under 32, 31 if it goes under there. But yeah, just take the bingo when it gives you the lingo, man. Had some good coaching sessions last night. Here's some of my trades I'm doing. I'm up 3,900. I'm up 2,700. Now I'm up 600, 600, 600, and 600. Copy trading like a champion on my Earn Max accounts. Had to slap someone in the trade room in the alpha chat room this morning because Gimbal just went by. G Sports. Gimbal, it's going to probably do a reverse split because it's too cheap. It's called Esports Entertainment at 8 cents. Just did a spike. See it? Keep an eye. Look at the daily. See how it's down? It could go all the way up here to $1. Just like that other one I just showed you a couple minutes ago. What was it, the B square? No, the other one. Dude, keep an eye on Gimbal. See, I have names for all the stocks. I call it Gimbal, even though it's Esports Entertainment. GMBL, Gimbal. Gimbalini. Gimbal. Star Bulk Carriers is a shipper. Jets is an airline. Oh, that's Jets. There we go, Jets. Jets is U.S. Global Jets. I don't know. But American Airlines was up this morning, 1.4. DAL, Delta Airlines was up this morning. Look, it's going to 15.4 Heinz. I told you. Look, now I'm in. Look, right, guys? Right? I told you. Told you. Who loves me in the Mojo room? Who loves Mojo? Look, $28 right there. 3 of them off the table. Right there. 28, 3. Bink, 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 bink. It took 1. You kidding me? 1, 2, 3. So that was another great trade. Got 1 runner left. I should be at 700 now. Yeah, I'm at 700 now. Listen, guys. $50 at the clip 10 times, $500. I could do it 9 out of 10 times, 8 out of 10 times. It's the money. Ocean Power Technologies, OPTT, just went by the high-low list. A couple of days in a row. Ocean Power, they make a buoy that floats in the ocean and creates electricity and energy to power batteries and all kinds of shit. It's unbelievable. Just like Exy Power. They make a shock absorber that you put in an electric car and it powers the batteries as the car drives. Motocross. The bikes, as they ride around the track, power the batteries on a light-ass bike that's 2 times as fast that rip and fly. This is the stock EXHID. EXHID. Isn't that it? EXHID. There it is. It's going to be $5. They're doing a reverse, I think, or something like that. So keep an eye on that one. 32, 33, up 20 bucks on this one. Gone into 34. Gone. So on that trade, guys, I went, yep, from wherever it was last, I said, to 670, almost 4,000 and 2,800 on those two, respectively, this morning. Yes, sir. I could be trading NQ, but I've got them all grouped together. I'm happy with the $4,000. I'm happy with the $3,000. I'll get the 668 to over 1,000 or two, and that'll increase the others instead of stopping. And I'm trading only the Micronians right now. I got a name for them all. You guys like the show this morning? Anybody alive in the Mojo room? Give me a hello this morning. Anyone there? Anyone out there in Alpha land? Type in the chat, say hello. I turn off the mic if you don't. Good morning, Mr. Marr. Nice to see you, buddy. Who's ringing the register today? And who's ringing the bell? I'll give $50 to somebody who rings the bell in the Mojo room. Who wants to do it? I got $100 right here. There you go, $100, $200. Where is it? Where's my money? Let me grab my monies. Where's my stack? Oh, it's right here in my drawer. Oh, here's my another coaching appointment for today. Another coaching appointment for today. Let's see. I can give you. Let's see here. How many? $500. Want 500? I'll give you 500. 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500. 500. Put the rest back. 500. I'll put this right over here by the side. Let's see who does that. 834. It's just a good trade. No, I didn't miss it. I was in it. What are you talking about, Mojo? You missed shit. You got coachings. What is this? A new Oh no, this is another appointment. At 12 p.m. That goes here. So these are my appointments for like today and tonight. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 coachings over the next 2 days that I coach my traders. You want a one-on-one complimentary coaching call to see if you can learn how to trade like a pro trader? Pa-ching, take your phone out, put it on the code right there, and you'll go to my calendar and you can book a little free complimentary session. You want to learn how to trade futures? I'm giving a webinar right there. Phone on that. Take you right to it. Hello, Mr. Kevin. Hello, Archef Ed 9. What's up, buddy? Hello, Challenger. You're my man. Yo, Challenger, you got to get your name back. OG Challenger. Oh, there it is. No, it's not. You scared me, dude. I'm like, what are you doing? It's not 9:30. I looked over. I'm like, the bet's open right now. What are you kidding me, man? Someone's playing tricks on me in the Mojo room. So, dude, you want the coaching? This is the this is my other. You want to get in this stack of coachings, dude? I help all these traders. I've helped in my school over 1,500 traders, dude. And they're all still with me. OG's in the room, man. OG. Do you know you're on a subscription for 5 years with me? For 5 years? If you're OG in the room? If you're OG right here in the room? So let's see who's in the OG. Gomez, Infinity, JC, Kent. Kent, my first guy with me, man. Him and Alan. Remember Alan? Alan didn't lose for 5 years. Every day, guy had a fucking winner. Never went green. Lost on trades, but never, ever green. I don't know what happened to him. RSLS is up 100%. 97. It's at 50 cents. Look at Reshape Life Sciences. Anyway, we got MC, Neil, Paul, JB, Steve, Trevor, Tugs, Tuna, Wolf. Thank you. OGs, 5 years and longer as members trading with me every day. I ain't shaving for weeks. I'm growing a beard, dudes. I'm hot right now, so I don't want to shave. Keep the trading going. Everything's going good now, so I don't want to be shaving. You know what I'm saying? Keep the goods going. So what are we? 36 now on SQQQ. Let's check it out. Nice. Good morning, Mr. Challenger, and hello, Kevin. Nice to see you guys. Yes, sir. Guys, you going to give me a thumbs up on the video? Be nice if you did. What are your messages blocked? MGRX, 82 cents, 80 cents. Going by the high-low list. Right there, 76 by 82, but it's only traded 7,000 shares. All right, let's get SQQ coming down a little bit towards 15,400 again. There seems to be a ceiling there. I'm going to take a look at Bookmap, see what kind of liquidity is sitting there on the visual on the Ching Ching. See, I'm drinking orange juice now, guys, instead of coffee. I already had one coffee. What is the high? 42? I'll take one. So here is NQ. That's big. Let's go to rhythmic. And let's see where the volume action is happening on me book map. It's 15,390's got a little bar, and 15, so 20, 70 to 90's got a little box. 15.4's up here. It's got nothing up there. I don't think it's gone. 15,390 seems the high. Looks like it's trending lower. Trend is your friend. It's angling down, so you're skiing down. This one's rising a little bit towards 918. Take one, two more. See that big bubble? If it can't get past there, then it's going to probably die down underneath here. How can I get rid of this line down here? Like this. There you go. See it go down into here. Looks like into 15,367 area. And that would be 40. I don't like what I just bought, so I'm going to come out of some. I like to buy it back at 30, not at chasing the high. Ooh, NUWE, that was one of my swing picks right there. NUWE, 16,000 shares at 114 by 18. See it? Nuellis. Yep, Nuellis. See it? This one could start its move now. Up to $1.50 and start trending higher. Nuellis. Keep an eye on Nuellis. RSLS was one of my swing picks. Reshape Life Biosciences right here. Reshape Life Science. This was a former swing pick of mine too. Should keep a list of all of them, dude. They're all great stocks. Either they get bought out or they work and they don't stop. I've had Plug Power from 33 cents. If you were in my newsletter, and it's proven, Mar did it, all these other guys did it. I saw you post. It's still like that, Faye? Unwanted messages? SQQ 39. Told you it wanted that on the book map down here. Told you. I gotta take it off the table going into 40. I'll rebuy it back. I have to. I only had one lot left, so I have to. So now I'm at 700. See? 692, 690. I'm over 4,000 there. See? They just keep on adding up, dudes. I'm like print money. And if I didn't do that, it would be down now. I would have lost, didn't make that 20, 30 bucks. Every 2 or 3 cents is all I trade in that sucker. Another energy stock making a move here. Keep an eye on too small. They only traded 400,000. It's got to be trading like 5 million. CNEY. It's already up 26%. Let's go back to this one. A lot of little stocks are moving lately. RBOT, Vicarious Surgical, coming off this bottom down there. All right, 8 minutes to the open. 8 minutes to the open. How long have I been live? I think I'm going to stop the show today because I showed you everything I need to. Don't want to really trade live. I've been live for my hour. So I think I am going to end the show today. If you like what I've done, give me a thumbs up. Tell me you want to stay on longer, and I will. I would do some futures trading. I would do more stocks and all that good stuff.